Today in this video we're going to look at the top 5 budget fishing rods for beginners available on the market. If you're interested in any of the products we talk about today, you can find the links down in the description below. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. Wakeman Fishing Rod. Get ready to reel in your next big catch with a fishing rod and reel combo designed for both convenience and performance. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned angler, this versatile setup offers everything you need for a great day on the water. With a 78-inch medium-action fiberglass rod, it provides just the right balance of strength and flexibility, making it perfect for landing walleye, bass, trout, and more. Plus, it comes pre-spooled with 250 yards of 6-pound monofilament line, so you can hit the water right away. Designed for ease of use, the collapsible rod breaks down into 2 parts, making storage and transport effortless. The split EVA foam handle ensures a comfortable and secure grip, allowing for hours of fishing without discomfort. A smooth spinning reel with a 5.2:1 gear ratio and a single ball bearing drive ensures seamless casting and retrieval, while stainless steel eyelets and ceramic guides add durability to withstand frequent use. The reel also features an adjustable drag system and a convenient forward or reverse switch, giving you total control over every cast. One of the best features is its ambidextrous design. The reel handle can be easily switched for right or left-handed use, making it a great choice for all anglers. Built with high-quality materials, including fiberglass, aluminum, stainless steel, ceramic, graphite, and EVA foam, this rod and reel combo is ready for any fishing adventure. Whether for yourself or as a gift, this setup is a must-have for any fishing enthusiast. Number 4. Zebco 202 Spincast Reel and Fishing Rod. Fishing has never been easier or more enjoyable than with this all-in-one rod and reel combo. Whether you are just starting out or looking for a reliable setup, this fishing combo offers the perfect balance of simplicity and performance. The 5'6" 2-piece fiberglass rod is designed for smooth, effortless casting and is strong enough to handle a variety of light to medium fish, including bass, trout, and panfish. Plus, the medium light power and moderate fast action make it incredibly versatile for different fishing styles and conditions. What makes this setup even better is the pre-spooled Spincast reel, designed for effortless casting with its 2.8:1 gear ratio and quickset anti-reverse system. The all-metal gears and stainless steel pickup pin ensure durability and smooth performance, while the dial-adjustable drag helps you maintain control when reeling in your catch. With a retrieval rate of 15 inches per turn, this reel makes fishing fun and hassle-free. For added convenience, this combo includes a 27-piece tackle kit with everything you need to start fishing right away. From hooks and sinkers to swim baits and bobbers, you will have the right gear to attract a variety of fish. The comfortable EVA handle provides a firm grip, and the built-in hook keeper ensures safe transport. Perfect for beginners and experienced anglers alike, this rod and reel combo is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to enjoy a relaxing day by the water. Number 3. Ugly Stick Spinning Reel and Fishing Rod. Get ready for an unbeatable fishing experience with a rod and reel combo designed for strength, sensitivity, and durability. Whether you are fishing for fun or serious about landing a catch, this setup has everything you need. With a 36-inch rod crafted from a blend of graphite and fiberglass, it delivers the perfect balance of toughness and flexibility. The Ugly Stick clear tip design enhances sensitivity so you can feel even the slightest nibble, while the Ugly Tough 1-piece stainless steel guides provide excellent durability without the risk of insert pop-outs. This combo is paired with a size 30 spinning reel that comes pre-spooled with a 6-pound fishing line, allowing you to start fishing right out of the box. The smooth performance of the reel, combined with the reliable construction of the rod, ensures a hassle-free and enjoyable fishing experience. The cork and EVA grips offer superior comfort and a secure hold, even during long hours on the water. Plus, the twist-lock reel seat keeps everything firmly in place, providing you with ultimate control. Perfect for beginners and experienced anglers alike, this setup is built to handle all your fishing adventures. Whether you are casting in freshwater lakes or trying your luck in streams, you will love the reliable performance and rugged durability. With its lightweight yet powerful design, this rod and reel combo is an essential addition to any angler's collection. Number 2. Eagle Claw Telescopic Rod. Fishing just got a whole lot more convenient with a rod and reel combo that is lightweight, durable, and ready for action. Whether you are casting for bass or enjoying a relaxing day of freshwater fishing, this setup is built to deliver a smooth and effortless experience. The 5 feet 6 inches spinning rod is made from strong fiberglass, offering the perfect combination of flexibility and durability, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced anglers. With a lure weight range of 1/8 to 1/2 ounce and a line weight capacity of 10 pounds, it is designed to handle a variety of fishing conditions with ease. One of the standout features is the lightweight aluminum reel, which comes pre-loaded with fishing line, so you can hit the water right away. The smooth action of the reel ensures easy casting and reeling, making it a pleasure to use on any fishing trip. The EVA foam handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, allowing for hours of fishing without fatigue. Plus, the telescopic design makes it incredibly easy to transport and store, so you can take it wherever your fishing adventures lead. Perfect for anglers of all skill levels, this rod and reel combo offers a hassle-free fishing experience with reliable performance. Whether you are fishing at the lake, river, or pond, this well-balanced and portable setup is a must-have for anyone looking to enjoy the great outdoors and reel in their next big catch. Number 1. EO Telescopic Fishing Rod. For anglers who love adventure, a high-quality telescopic fishing rod is an absolute game-changer. Designed for both performance and portability, this rod delivers the feel of a traditional one-piece without the hassle of transporting a full-length setup. Crafted from 24T carbon and epoxy, it offers the perfect balance of sensitivity and durability, while the solid carbon tip adds flexibility to handle a variety of catches. Whether you are fishing in freshwater or saltwater, this rod is built to perform. Every detail has been carefully designed for a seamless fishing experience. The ABS reel seat with CNC aluminum parts ensures a secure and stable reel placement, while the wear-resistant EVA and cork grips provide a comfortable, non-slip hold for long fishing sessions. The sections fit together seamlessly, offering smooth casting and retrieval just like a conventional rod. Lightweight yet powerful, this rod is available in multiple lengths with medium power and fast action, making it perfect for targeting trout, bass, catfish, salmon, and more. One of the best features is its quick assembly. Simply extend each section and you are ready to fish. When it is time to pack up, collapse it effortlessly from the bottom up, even leaving your reel and line attached for next time. With a closed length of under 17 inches, this rod fits easily in your car, backpack, or boat, making it the ultimate travel companion. Whether you are an experienced angler or just starting out, this rod is built to deliver convenience, quality, and top-tier performance on every trip.